Today I'm going to show you how to customize your WooCommerce cart page, and I'm going to provide you 21 awesome hacks which will allow you to do awesome things. For example, move coupon field, add free shipping notification, update your cart without needing to press on the update button. One of the hacks will provide you an option to show error messages if the product is available only in backorder, and so on. So altogether 21 hacks. If you're interested, then jump in, because it's gonna be a fun ride. Now, if you're new to my channel, then take a look at the description of this video, because there are some links to other videos in the series I already created. For example, I created a series about the shop page or category page hacks. I created a video about the single product page hacks, and so on. So take a look at the description of this video. But now let's start by going to the dashboard, and you have two options. First option is that you're going to add all those snippets I'm going to provide you today inside your child themes functions PHP file, or better yet, use a code snippets plugin for it. So go to the plugins, add new, and search for code snippets, this one here. Install and activate it, and it allows you to add all the code snippets without the need to touch the functions PHP file. And what's awesome about it is that if you're going to switch your theme in the future, you're not going to lose all those modifications. Now, after installing and activating the plugin, there is a snippets menu here. Open it up and click add new, and I'm going to open up my cart page, and let's start hacking it. So as you see, there is a good old WooCommerce cart page here. I have product in the cart, and the subtotal is $729. First hack I'm going to provide you is that we're going to set the minimum amount for the orders. For example, 1,000 euros. If it's less, then it's impossible to purchase the products here. So go to the snippets, add new, give it a title, for example, minimum order amount. Next, paste this code snippet here. All the code snippets I'm gonna provide you today, take a look at the description of this video, because it takes you to the blog post which contains all those snippets. Now here goes the amount you would like to add. For my shop it's 1,000 euros. For your shop it can be whatever it is. Now choose only run on site front end, save changes and activate. And if I refresh a cart, there it is. Your current total is $734. Go to checkout, place order, but I'm unable to do that because the minimum amount is not yet achieved. If I go back to the cart and update it, then the message is gone. So this was the first hack. Next one, I'm gonna clear my cart, and as you see, there is an empty cart here. But what if we could add some kind of content on the empty cart page? Therefore, let's add something over here. I'm going to the snippets once more, click on add new. Next, give it a title, for example, display content on empty cart page, and paste this snippet here. Once again, only run on site front end, save changes and activate. Now let's go to the empty cart page, refresh it. And as you see, you haven't added any products to the cart yet, although you may be interested in these products, and these here are the featured products. And there is a return to shop button also here. So what did I do? I added the shortcode here. You can add whatever shortcode you want here, and I added the heading here. Once again, you can add whatever you want here. If you don't want to add the shortcode, just delete this part. If you want to add something else, just replace this part here. Now I'm going to go back to the shop page and add a product to the cart. And I'm going to add a free shipping notification here. I'm going to show you what I mean exactly. So back to the snippets, add new, give it a title, for example, free shipping amount notification. Next one, paste this snippet. And if you have set a free shipping amount in your shop, then change this number here accordingly. For example, in my shop it's set for 1,000 euros. If you have at least 1,000 euros worth of products in the cart, the shipping is going to be free. So 1,000 euros, only run on site front end, save changes and activate, refresh, and there it is. It says that I need to purchase at least 270 euros worth of products. So I'm gonna update the cart. My subtotal is more than 1000 euros and the message is gone here. And this means that I can move to the next hack. It's a hack number 4. We're going to add a custom message to the cart page. So once again, add new snippet, give it the title, for example, custom message on cart. Paste this snippet here, only run on site front end. And as you see, there is a message, estimated delivery time 2 weeks. You can change the text tag as you like. And now save changes and activate, refresh. And there it is. Now there is one thing I need to point out. If you need to change the position of the text or all other snippets I showed you, then you need to use a right hook. And all those snippets are using WooCommerce default hooks. If you don't know what are the hooks or what are the location of the hooks, then Google Business Bloomer cart page hooks. There is a guy who has made a visual page hooks for you. For example, I'm using this hook, WooCommerce before cart table. As you see, this one here. If I want to place this message somewhere else, WooCommerce after cart table, then I'm gonna just copy it, paste it here, save it, and if I refresh the page, then I move this message down below here. I'm using the Blocksy Pro theme, and this one has a built-in visual hook, so take a look at the hooks location here, show WooCommerce hooks, and all of them are here and you can use them. Nifty way to see what's what. It's getting crowded here, therefore I'm gonna deactivate this custom message and free shipping notification, and now it's less crowded. Next hack, and it's hack number 5. This product here, Blue Umbrella, is a product which is available only in back order. So I have added it to the cart, but there is no message about it that it's available only back order. I have had the customers who complained later that, oh, I purchased the product, but I did not know it's not in stock, and I didn't know that the delivery time is going to be longer for this product. Therefore, we're going to add an error message here, or notification, which allows the user to see that he or she has products in cart which are available only on back order. For example, I'm gonna go back to the shop, add some random products in it. For example, this one here and this one. And these are the products which are not available on the back order. Only this Blue Umbrella is available on back order. So snippets, add new. Give it a title, for example, add backorder warning, paste this snippet, only run on site front end, save changes and activate, refresh, and there you go. You have products in the cart that are available only in back order. For those products, estimated delivery time is 2 or 3 weeks. And you can change this message here. First line and second line. Easy, isn't it? And this means that we're gonna add a snippet number 6. Once again, add new. Give it a title, for example, update WooCommerce cart on quantity change. Paste this snippet, only run on site front end, save changes and activate. Let's refresh. First, what did we do? We got rid of the update cart button here. If you want to show the update cart button, then just delete this part of the code. This hides the update cart button. But what will it do? If I click on the quantity change plus, it will automatically update the cart. If I press on minus, it will do the same. It is set to 1 second delay. Here, if you want the delay to be less, then add 500 here. That means it's half a second. But I think 1 second is good enough. Now let's move to the hack number 7. And this means we're going to add an empty cart button on the cart page. Add new snippet. Give it a title, for example, empty cart button. Paste this snippet here. Nothing to configure, except if you want to change the button name, empty cart here or empty cart here. Save changes and activate, refresh, and there it is. If I click on it, it will empty the cart, and there is a custom message we added before. I don't know though why should someone need to add the empty cart button, but I have had clients who needed this feature. Therefore, if you're the one who needs it also, then it's gonna be useful for you. Next hack, let's move the coupon field location. By default the coupon field is here, but I'm gonna move it inside the cart totals. And it's fairly easy to do. Just add this new snippet, give it a title, move coupon field, paste it here, and only run outside front end. Labels, coupon code here, apply coupon here and here. Save changes and activate, and let's refresh it, and there it is. Depending on your team, you may want to customize it a bit. For example, if I open up the customizer, you'll see that I needed to add this piece of CSS over here, because if I don't add it, then all the buttons are jammed together and the coupon button is not different from the proceed to checkout button. Therefore, I added this piece of code here, made the button black, add some spacing, and it looks much better. Now one more thing for you to point out. If you take a look at the code, then this piece of code here removes the default coupon button, which is here. If I remove this piece of code and refresh it, then there is another coupon code field here. So if you want to hide it, then just leave it as it is in the snippet I provided you. There it is. And it works well. My coupon is test 20, apply, and as you see, coupon is applied. Now let's move to the next hack. Click add new. The hack is display total weight, and it should be self-explanatory, but still I'm gonna paste this snippet here and I'm gonna show you what does it do. Only run on site front end, save changes and activate, refresh the page, and as you see, your cart weight is 9 kilos. That means that the weight of this product is 9 kilos. If I add one more, it says now your cart weight is 18 kilos. So this snippet is useful for those who have some kind of weight-based shipping system set up on their site. Okay, we're moving along pretty fast, and that means we're going to add already a snippet number 9. And with hack number 9, we're going to change the return to shop URL. Let's see what I mean by that. If I delete everything from the cart, there is a return to shop. If I click on it, by default it will take me back to the shop page. But what if you want to change the URL for something else? Therefore, paste this snippet here and add your URL slug here. For example, this one is a About Us page. I'm going to take this part of the URL and paste it here. Save changes and activate. Let's add something to the cart. Delete it. There is a return to shop button. If I click on it, it will take me to the About Us page. So I'm going to deactivate it for the moment because I'm going to add another snippet. And this one is called Continue Shopping button. Add new snippet. Once again, I'm going to give it a title, paste the snippet. If I want to change the button text, then I'm going to change this part. And if I want to change the text part, then I'm going to change this one. Only run on site front end, save changes and activate. Let's add something to the cart. Go to the cart, and there it is. Would you like some more goods? This is this text here, and continue shopping. If I click on it, it will take me to the shop page. Next hack, and this is hack number 12. We're going to add some kind of small shipping hurry up notification or estimated delivery date and time hack. So paste this one here, and what will it do? First, this is my time zone, Europe Tallinn, and it will tell that if the customer purchases on Friday, Saturday or Sunday, the delivery be on Monday. If they purchase from Monday to Thursday after 4 p.m., the delivery will be day after tomorrow. But if they purchase from Monday to Thursday before 4 p.m., the delivery will be tomorrow. And this is a text you may want to change. Only run on site front end, save changes and activate. Go to the cart page. And this time I added the message down below here. Take a look. WooCommerce after cart table, as I showed you before from the visual hooks, but I can add it wherever I want. Okay, half of the hacks are already implemented. This means that let's move to the hack number 13. And this time I'm going to disable this shipping calculator here. Usually for me it's really annoying, I don't like it at all, therefore I'm gonna deactivate it. So title is disable shipping calculator, paste the snippet, nothing to configure, only run on site front end, save changes and activate, refresh, and much better. Only cart totals and subtotals. But now I'm gonna add an additional fee here, surcharge, and it's gonna be displayed below the subtotal. So back to the snippets, hack number 14, I'm gonna add a surcharge. And I'm gonna provide you two versions of it. First, paste this snippet here. It's a surcharge amount. The fee is €1 plus tax, and it's applied for the Estonia and Finland. So it's a country-based surcharge. So I'm gonna activate it, go to the cart page. As you see, €1 plus tax, 120. If I go to the checkout, as you see, it's Estonia. If I choose Eritrea, there is no fee. If I choose El Salvador, no fee. If I choose Finland, the fee is 120. So I'm gonna comment this one out for a second. And I'm gonna provide you another one. This time it's percentage based. Once again, the percentage is 10%, 0.1. This is a fee name here. Also it's here. Save changes, refresh. As you see, surcharge 10%. And it's for every country. Falklands, France, and so on. So this one is not country based. But nevertheless, if you need to add the fees to your cart, then you can do it with those hacks here. Next hack, and if I'm not wrong, it's hack number 15. I'm gonna go back to the cart page. I'm gonna add a custom banner down below here. I'm using the banner, but you can add whatever you want over there. And that means I'm gonna show you how to output a custom message or shortcodes below the cart. Back to the snippets, add new. I'm gonna give it a title, for example, output shortcode. Paste it here. Here goes your shortcode, for example, contact form or whatever you want to add. I created a content block. I called it cart page banner. This one here. I'm gonna grab the shortcode and add it here. If you're using the Blocksy theme, then you don't have to use it as a hack. You can just add it with a content blocks position. But if you're using any other theme, then it's useful for you because it's gonna show you how to output the shortcode on the cart page. So save changes, refresh, and there it is. Some kind of ad banner here. Let's move to the hack number 16, and this time I'm going to show the SKU of the product down below here. Once again, add new snippet. I'm gonna name it add SKU to cart and checkout. Paste it here. This is a title SKU. Save changes and activate. Refresh. And as you see, SKU is shown here. And if I go to the checkout, it's shown also here. Simple yet effective, isn't it? Next one, back to the cart. And I'm gonna show the shipping class here. Add new snippet, shows shipping class on cart, paste the snippet, only run on site front end, save changes and activate, refresh. And as you see, shipping, delayed shipping, because this product here has this shipping class. I'm gonna open it up up if you don't know what are the shipping classes. Then as you see, shipping class, delayed shipping, and it's shown on the cart page here. Well, almost there, only a couple of hacks to go. And next one is for the simple one. I'm going to show product categories down below here. Once again, it's getting crowded here, therefore I'm going to go to the snippets and I'm going to disable some of them. I'm going to disable this one, and this one. And I'm going to add another one, give it the title, paste the snippet. If you want to rename the labels, then do it here, category or categories. Only run on site front end, save changes and activate, refresh. And as you see, categories are shown here. Next one, and it's a hack number 19 if I'm not wrong. We're going to add the stock availability down below here. That means we're going to add a new snippet, give it a title, show stock availability in cart. Paste this one here, nothing to configure, only run on site front end, save changes and activate, refresh. Now I'm going to go to the shop page, add some kind of product to the cart, view cart. And as you see, it shows 25 in stock. One more thing. As you see, all this information is shown also in my side cart. And as I told you, I'm using the Blocksy theme. If you like it, then take a look at the description of this video. There is a nifty coupon code for you. You can get a discount from the Blocksy Pro theme. And this side cart is really awesome. Okay, back to the snippets. We have only 2 snippets to go. And that means hack number 20 is we're going to sort our cart alphabetically. Let's take a look at what I mean by that. I'm going to add some random products. This one. I'm going to go back to the cart. I added a bunch of products here. As you see, this one starts with B, D, E, C, G, F, and so on. So they are not sorted alphabetically, but I'm going to sort them alphabetically with this snippet here. Give it a title, paste the snippet, nothing to configure, only run on site front end, save changes and activate, refresh. And as you see, now they are sorted alphabetically, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. Okay guys, final one. By default, every product has a link to the product itself, but if you don't want the cart items to be linked to the products and you want to remove the links, then add this snippet here. Give it a title and this short piece of code, save changes and activate, only run on site front end, refresh, and no links. So if for some reason you would like to disable the links and you don't want the customers to go back to the product page, then this snippet is useful for you. Well, there it is, 21 WooCommerce cart page hacks. Some of those hacks are really awesome and useful in every shop, and another ones are useful for some of us. But nevertheless, as you saw, it's not as difficult to accomplish any of them. Now, before you go, take a look at the next video you see on the screen right now, because it's also full of useful content. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe. Also, press thumbs up and let me know in the comments which hacks did you like the most. Meanwhile, take care.